Thank you for the inspiration. Thank you for liking my channel. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for following me in my journey so far. It has not been easy. And I'm not trying to downplay it. Without you guys subscribing, I would have stopped making YouTube videos. As of now, I will stop making YouTube videos because I have signed up to a contract, a 5-year contract with Man City, where I'll be playing football. So, for those of you that are tired of hearing how to make money online, I'm sorry, you won't hear it again. All you'll be hearing now is how to play football with Man City. So, it has been a great experience since I signed up with Pep. As you can see on the screen, it has been a dream come true. It has not been easy. Looking for how to make money has not been easy. So, thank you for following me through this journey. I'm just speechless, I want to say some regards to my mother that has been there for me. I want to send regards to my siblings, my girlfriend, and you, my friends, that has been there with me through my craziness. I have sang songs, I have talked about money, I have done crazy things on my YouTube channel, and you guys have been patient to watch me through this journey. I want to tell you thank you. I deeply appreciate it. And as of now, I have come to the new chapter in my life where I have to chase my dream and be a footballer. I've always been a fan of Man City. If you know me personally, you know that I love football. And I've been a fan of Man City. I love the way Pep plays. I love Pep so much. And he's my role model. I like the way he's perfect at his game. I can't wait to play with the likes of Kevin De Bruyne, Folden, and other outstanding players in Man City. It's a great team. Etihad, here we come. So now you'll be seeing me on TV. And for those of you that want to visit, you can visit Man City, Etihad Stadium, and you will see me live and direct where I'll be showing my skill. For you guys to know that I don't only talk about money, about finance, or about how to make money online or cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin. But I also have great interest in football. It's my passion, so I'll be following my passion. Thank you guys for hearing my story of how to make money online. So now this is how to make money with football. Thank you. It has been a great experience. And I send regards to my friends and my well-wishers. All of you have made my journey so far great. It has been outstanding. And I can't wait to show you guys what I can do on the pitch. There's no other better place for me to play and display my skill than to do it with the skillful Pep Guardiola in Man City. And for those of you that enjoyed for the signing cost, it's not as expensive as Grealish. It was actually half of it, about £50 million, for me to go and show my skills to Man City. And I want to tell you that thank you for supporting me. If you are interested, I will tell you the full story of how I signed up with Man City. So let me just go to Man City for a tour. It was a great experience. So for the hotel that I stayed at AC Hotels by Marriott. It was a good experience staying there with them, and I would recommend them if you are going to Man City. AC Hotels by Marriott. If you have stayed in Marriott before, it's just like a duplicate of Marriott in Manchester City. So I had different cuisines, and I was trying to try different meals by different restaurants. So it was like an exploratory holiday where I was eating different food. I went to Hard Rock Cafe, but I preferred Turkish restaurants, especially Cafe Istanbul. I will put the pictures on the screen. The food was amazing. The videos you are seeing that I posted on my TikTok, it was excellent. For you guys to know that, I had a sumptuous meal with Turkish restaurants in Manchester. There are a couple of restaurants in Manchester that I tried out, but of all of them, I would say that Cafe Istanbul actually stood out. I also tried street food, and I would say that Chili restaurant or bar was the outstanding one. Then I went for a free walking tour. Free walking tour, yes. It's a free walking tour that has an excellent review, more than paid walking tours. And it had a 4.9 rating on Google reviews. Of course, at the end of the free walking tour, you give money, you give tip, or you give bonus, or you give whatever you give. You shall give money to the guy that organized it, and his name is Josh. He was outstanding. I equally visited some outstanding places in Manchester, like the library, and I would say it's really outstanding what they have in Manchester. Had a look at Alan Torrance sculpture, which is at the center of a garden close to the gay village. If you live in Manchester, you will know what I'm talking about. Overall, I had a great experience going to different places in Manchester, different landmarks, and it has been a great experience in Manchester. I ended my tour by visiting best real estate in Manchester, and I can tell you that from my visit, the best real estate in Manchester is at Deansgate. I've heard about Deansgate Square that's built by Reneka. They have outstanding buildings there. I had the opportunity to tour the buildings. I went as high as the 68th floor, and I was seeing the whole of Manchester. And the average building there is about £700,000. So, and it had a great view. I really loved the view. It's a 2-bedroom apartment. I went for a tour at Manchester City, where I bought this ball, and then I had the privilege of entering their dressing room, where Pep, Kevin De Bruyne, Folden, and other outstanding footballers actually dressed up for the day. We went to the away room, where footballers like Cristiano Ronaldo, Drogba, Benzema, and other great footballers, they have their clothes hanging there since they visited Man City in the course of their career. I love the tour so much. That's why, guys, I'm talking more about the tour. Even if I'm not a paid ambassador of the tour, it's a great experience. If you just want to go to a tour, I would encourage you to go to Man City tour or Tottenham tour. They show you everywhere, where the players use, how the players walking, the paparazzi. They show you everything. They show you motivational video, the history of Manchester City. Actually, the football club was started by a church like about 100 years ago or 50 years ago. Who knows? Please check on Google to confirm it. But I know that it was started by a church in order to increase motivation in the society. They told us the story of Manchester City, things you expect to get from a tour of a stadium. And at the end of the tour, I had the privilege to sit down with Pep and to sign a contract for a 5-year deal to be a Manchester City footballer, to be an ambassador of Manchester City, to be blah, 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 blah. I got you guys. I got you guys. It's a green screen of Pep Guardiola. So they take pictures, they take video. I was just marveled with how they did it. It looked so real. Even me, I couldn't believe it. That's why I have to take pictures of it and even take videos of it to show you guys. Thank you guys for following my story. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking this video. And you see that finance can be fun if just combine it with football. As I go through different places for holidays, I will update you guys. But there's no way you'll find out about it if you're not subscribed to my channel and if you don't like this video. So please ensure you like this video and ensure you subscribe to my channel. I know this is not the usual finance video that I make. I just want to do something different and see how it goes. So, but if you're interested in how to make money online, in trading, in stock market, in anything related to personal finance, I have some knowledge that I can offer you that will be highly tangible. So if you have any question or any area of interest, please tell me in the comment section and I'll make videos about them. But for now, put some 2 videos on how to make money online wherever you are in the world. The title may have Nigeria. That's because most of my audience are Nigerians. But it works for anywhere you are, in any country that you are.